Product name: Cleaner Kit for AirPods Pro 123 Multifunction Cleaning Pen with Soft Brush Flocking Sponge for Bluetooth Earphones, Case Cleaning Tools White. The Multifunction Cleaning Bluetooth Earphones Headphones is a cleaning kit that comes with a soft brush and flocked sponge for cleaning your earphones and charging case. The kit is compatible with AirPods Pro 1, 2, and 3, as well as other Bluetooth earphones and headphones. The kit is portable and easy to use, making it ideal for people who are always on the go. Here are some pros and cons of the product. Pros: portable and easy to use. Compatible with AirPods Pro 1, 2, and 3, as well as other Bluetooth earphones and headphones. Cons: the product is relatively expensive. The product does not come with a warranty. In conclusion, the Multifunction Cleaning Bluetooth Earphones Headphones is a great product for those who want to keep their earphones and headphones clean. It is portable and easy to use, and it is compatible with AirPods Pro 1, 2, and 3, as well as other Bluetooth earphones and headphones. However, the product is relatively expensive, and it does not come with a warranty. The price of the product is $8.99. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for our latest videos.